So the next exercise for shoulder pain and neck is called the Green Dragon Weaves. The Green Dragon weaving through. I really like this one. So I have a slightly wider stance for this. Kind of not like a horse stance exactly, but just slightly wider than your hips. And from here, the right hand would be palm up. So I'm going to my right side, and the left hand's gonna be extended outwards, about maybe 6 inches away from each other, right? So I'm rotating to this side. And again, this is gonna be like a flipping motion. So it's not gonna be your shoulder so much, but your rib cage doing the flipping, right? So it's just like this. You're gonna keep your arms extended outwards. So you don't wanna bring your arms in like this. You're actually almost like someone's pulling you. Keep those extended, right? And the flipping is more of your rib cage doing the flipping. They're staying at shoulder height. And you're almost extending out to your fingers, feeling the rib cage do most of the movement. Breathing in, out. You just keep my gaze on my hands. So again, you don't want to flip your shoulder like this, so we're not doing this. It's more the rib cage and keeping the shoulders leveled. Just feeling the motion from your ribs more so. Again, try to still think of like there's a ball underneath your armpit, so you're not closing that gap, right, when you flip, so it's even throughout. So really great for still great for shoulder and neck, and also the rib side. So you're allowing the diaphragm, which is a muscle that helps with breathing, kind of move more freely, and all the rib cage is connected to the shoulder that is able to move more freely too. It's almost like a figure 8 motion, again, with the rib cage as you're flipping it, flipping your hands. Again, really great exercise for the shoulder. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. This is Dr. Kanita from Araya Holistic Pain Management, located here in Clarksburg, Maryland. I specialize in more holistic pain management, any sort of pain, chronic pain, emotional pain, stuff like that. If you want to know more about me or learn more about what I do, you can visit my website at www.arayaacupuncture.com. And I look forward to making more videos for you guys to help you get out of pain.